be teaching you the poem Off to Outer Space Tomorrow Morning, written by Norman Nicholson. So this is a very short poem and a simple one. In this, the speaker in this poem, he is getting ready to go off to the outer space the very next day morning, and yeah, he is not or he is very doubtful about his return. So at this moment, he has to share certain thoughts with his friends, family, and all, and he wants to share few things with the people around him. Or yeah, okay. So let us see what he wants to say. Okay, listen. You can start the countdown. You can take a last look. You can pass me my helmet from its plastic hook. You can cross out my name from the telephone book. For I am off to outer space tomorrow morning. So he's saying that, see, listen. You can start the countdown. Okay, see, I'm going to the outer space tomorrow morning. So you can start the countdown. Okay, for the last time, you can have a look at me. Okay, and you can pass me my helmet, which is there on the hook. And yeah, then one thing you can do is you can certainly cut my name from the telephone book. So in that book where you have written my name and my number, anyway you will not be able to use that again. You will not be able to contact me again. So better you strike it, okay? Because I am off to the outer space tomorrow morning. There won't be any calendar. There won't be any clock. Daylight will be on the switch and the winter under lock. So he's saying that, see, when I am in the outer space, see, I'll not be using any calendar because there will be no everything will be different from that of the earth, right? There will not be any change of the day. There will not be any change of the weather. There will be no need of the calendar, okay? And yeah, there won't be any clock also. The time will not be moving, right? It's there only on earth. So daylight will be on the switch. So if I switch on, then the light will come, and that is the day. Okay, so there is no sun. There is no sun to make the day and night. And then winter under lock. That means there will be no change in the weather. I'll doze when I'm sleepy and wake without a knock, for I'm off to outer space tomorrow morning. So he's saying that, see, I'll sleep when I'm feeling sleepy, and yeah, I'll wake without a knock. There will be no one to disturb me or wake me up. I'll wake up when I need. And yeah, so what he wants to say is what he wants to convey is that there will be no day and night there, and everything will be done by me. I'll be deciding when to sleep, when to wake up. Okay, I'll be writing no letters. I'll be posting no mail. So see, we will be on earth. I'll be in the space. So certainly I'm not going to contact you, or I'll not be writing any letters, or I'll not be posting any mail. For with nobody to visit me, I'm not a friend in hell. Certainly, that's it. So I'll be alone. I'll not have anyone to visit me, anyone to disturb me, and yeah, no one to say hi. In solitary confinement, as complete as any gaul. That is, I'll be so lonely. I'll be alone, and yeah, I'll be like in a confinement as complete as any gaul. So it will be just like a prison. I'll be confined to it. I'll be imprisoned there in the outer space. When my capsule door is sealed and my space flight has begun, that is, see, when my that part of the spacecraft which separates itself from the rocket at a point, when that capsule door is closed and when it is sealed and my space flight or the space flight has begun, with the teacup circling around me like the planets round the sun. So at that moment, when I'm to the outer space, then that cups, everything will be circling around me, because there will not be any gravity, right? See, here everything sits at its place because we have gravitational force here on Earth. But in the outer space, it's not there. So all the things will be circling around them like the planets round the sun. I'll be center of my gravity. So he's saying that, see, I myself will be the center of my gravity, a universe of one. I'll be my universe, setting off to outer space tomorrow morning. You can watch on television and follow from afar. So you can watch my flight on television and you can follow me from a distance, okay, from afar, far away, tracking through your telescope my upward shooting star. So many of you will be observing me with your telescope, but you needn't think I will give a damn for you or what you are when I am off to outer space tomorrow morning. So then, okay, all of you will be observing me with a great curiosity, but I am not going to care about you. I don't care what you are or who you are, like, because I am going to outer space tomorrow morning. And when the rockets thrust me on my transgalactic hope with 20,100 light years before the first stop, then you and every soul on earth can go and blow your top, for I am off to outer space tomorrow morning. So see, here that words like transgalactic hop, it is actually a unit of length, okay, used to express astronomical distance. So it will be like something like 9.46 trillion kilometers or something. Yeah, that's it, like 9.46 into 10 to the power of 12 kilometer. That is one transgalactic hope. So he's talking about that astronomical distance. So I'll be very far from you, okay, with 20,100 light years before the first stop. So I'll be so far, I'll be very far from you, and yeah, like, you'll not be able to track me, you'll not be able to follow me. Then you and every soul on earth can go and blow it up. So all of you will be very angry because you had no, you people don't have an opportunity to do what I am doing or to be in the space. So you all will be like so angry, you all will be so jealous. And yeah, so, and he also says that you will blow your top, that is, you will explode in anger. You will explode in anger because I am off to outer space tomorrow morning. So you say that once I am there, then you all will explode in anger because you missed the chance. You don't have such a chance. Okay, so I'll enjoy. So that's the poem. I hope you understood. It's very simple. And now read the poem and yeah, get yourself prepared. Okay, take care. Bye bye.